Hello viewers, welcome again my servers video tutorials. Our last video tutorial we showed how to create, how to make or do our server machine as a domain controller. Today I will show you how to install DNS role and make our server machine as a DNS server. Okay viewers, let's go how to create and install a DNS role. For this, now we will go server manager, I'm clicking on server manager icon. This is our server manager window in server 2008 or 2008 R2. From here, we'll click on roles icon and then add roles. From here we'll click on next button and now we'll select DNS server role. This is DNS server role. Now I'm selecting it and then click next, again next, and install. Yes, our DNS roles installing. It will not take more time, it will take some time. Yes, you can see that our DNS role has been installed. Now we'll click on close icon, and after installing it, viewers, you can see that this is DNS server. Now we'll configure it. Viewers, this is my DNS server window. We also come this window from another by using another way. We click on start icon and then administrative tools and then DNS. This is our DNS server window. We expand our machine name, and by default we can see that global logs, forward lookup zones, reverse lookup zones, conditional forwarders. We'll expand forward lookup zones, and now you can see that our machines as a forward lookup zone. Viewers, now I'll create a forward lookup zone. Right, and for this we'll right click on for our forward lookup zone and then click new zone. From this window, click next, and this is the zone type window. Sorry, here three types of zone type: primary zone, secondary zone, and stub zone. For this tutorial, now I'm selecting primary zone and then click next, and from this coming window we can select anything from these three types of selection. The first selection is to all DNS servers running on domain controller in this forest test.net. Select how we want zone data replicate. This zone data will replicate how. And the second type options to all DNS server running to domain controller in this domain test.net. And then the third option is to all domain controllers in this domain for for Windows 2000 compatibility test.net. Now I am selecting first option, all DNS running on domain controller in this forest, and then click next. Now we'll give zone name. For my video purpose, I'll give it zone 1 and then click next. So, sorry, zone1.com and then click next. And from here, from this window, we'll select by default allow only secure dynamic update, and then allow both non-secure and secure dynamic update, and then click next and then finish. Viewers, by this way we can create a forward lookup zone, and you can see that this is my forward lookup zone, and from this now we'll create a reverse lookup zone. Right click on reverse zone and then new zone. From this window click next, and this is the three types of zone: primary zone, secondary zone, and step zone. We'll select primary zone and then click next. From coming this video, we'll select to all DNS server running on domain controller in this forest. Now our select how want your data replicated, and then click next. And this is reverse lookup zone name. Choose whether you want to create a reverse lookup zone for IPv4 address or IPv6 address. Though I'm using IPv4 address, hence I'll select IPv4 reverse lookup zone and then click next. And here we'll give the network ID. For my video purpose, I'm giving it 172.116.2. This is my network ID, and then click next. From coming this video, we'll select allow both non-secure and secure dynamic updates. Then click next and finish. Here's by this way we can create a reverse lookup zone. Now I'll create a recorder. For this we'll click on zone1.com, right click, and then create new host record, and I'll give here a name of this record. I'm giving it and its IP address, and create, we'll select create associate pointer, and another option allow any authenticated user to update DNS record with the same owner name. No, we'll not select it, and click add host. Host record Rakin.1 was successfully created. Then click OK and done. Yes, you can see that this is Rakin, and it is host A and its IP address 172.16.2.31. Yes, by using this way, we can install our DNS server roles in our server machine, and also we can create forward lookup zone, reverse lookup zone, a recorder. Okay, viewers, that is all about our DNS server. I will come back again to take another topics of our server machine. Till then, okay, bye bye.